Alright guys, let me show you how exactly we enter today in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here you can see first that this on the Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. And the first here you can see price open a gap down. And so basically I use VWAP. Okay. So in that case we are combining price action and VWAP. So both when both are confirming, so exactly we enter. So let's see first. Here you can see this is the price action. Price are creating higher high, higher low, and the higher high. So finally, today price dropped and broke this previous higher low and create a new lower low. So in that case, we was not looking for buy. Why? Because according to the price action, price creating a lower low. So here you can see this is the lower low. So finally, price goes up a little bit. And again pull back, again try here, but not able to break this previous high. Okay, so finally price drop. So in that case we have seen this is called a bridge. Okay, so in our course, so my student, they knows that once price drop and price are holding like that, this is called bridge, and once they break, so it will continue to the downside. All right. So similarly, they form this type of pattern. So let me show you here. So, okay, here you can see this is a bridge. Okay, so once they break, and even here you can see price was holding below this V wave. So we figured our sell over and the price dropped drastically. Okay, so that was our entry point in Bank Nifty. And another here you can see last here in this area, but finally I was not enter here because price was above this V wave. But here you can see this is most important zone. So this is most important zone. This is called breakout of structure. Okay, so here you can see price drop and holding break, and finally again pull back near this area, but that was perfect entry point. But I entered in Nifty. I'll show you why I entered. So our rule, or in our course we explain that we are waiting for a pullback near demand zone, okay, or near breakout the structure. So here you can see, let's say price drop here a little bit high and price drop again. So when price are pulling back, so basically we are focusing on near this area. This is called breakout of structure. Once we get the confirmation, definitely we hit in this area and price continue toward the downside, or we are waiting for a pullback near demand or supply zone. So basically in a downside, this is a supply zone. So here we can see, so in this area we have seen this is a breakout of structure, but in the Nifty here you can see this is Nifty. Okay, perfect. So okay, so Nifty here you can see price was running like that, higher high, higher low, higher high, and finally price open and create near lower low, but price goes drastically. But I was not interested in the Nifty. So in that case, here you can see price drop again, and price goes a little bit there, and again pull back near V wave. Okay, so in that case here you can see, let me show you, just a minute. Okay, this is a demand zone, supply zone. Here you can see this is a supply zone. Why supply zone? So let me show you here. Price drop, okay, create a new lower low. So that was previous low. Okay, create a new lower low and pull back again. Price start falling from this area. Okay, so finally here you can see price goes up, and we have seen this is the rejection. Okay, where this rejection are forming near, this is a supply zone. This is called supply, but below this area this is called breakout of structure. But here you can see price rejecting from this supply zone. So this is a supply zone, and finally price break this V wave also downside. All right, so because we was we was in a downside. We are focusing on a downside. Finally we get the confirmation. Confirmation number one, that is price are rejecting from supply zone, and confirmation number two, that is price stay below this VWAP. So that is why that is our entry point. Okay, so let's say here in that scenario, just a minute. So first here you can see price bouncing from the supply zone. Here you can see this is breakout of structure. So let's say next like Monday, if price open anywhere, all right, anywhere, if price goes here, and if we see some rejection, so definitely we enter here. So it's a probability to continue to the downside. All right, so basically we are focusing on a sell side. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.